Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! Oh my goodness, you guys. Glossybox. I got this box like 2 weeks ago, and I just got around to doing it tonight. So I'm going to mix some beauty boxes into my repertoire for my channel here. And Glossybox has always been a favorite of mine. So I started getting this like 4 years ago, and I've gotten it on and off throughout the years. Glossybox by far has the sturdiest, nicest box of any beauty box. So you usually get like a nice cardboard pink box. I always keep them. My mom actually uses them to store her paper flowers in, so they work out really nice. Sometimes they give you like a premium box where it's like glitter or something. Love the Glossybox boxes. Glossybox is actually $21 a month. Or if you do the whole year, it's going to be $18 a month. So January is called The Power of Beauty. Check this one out. And they basically say that the boxes are worth about $75 on their site. Although I think I've had boxes that have been worth more than that. You get this really neat, like, fold-out paper insert here that explains what everything is, which I really like the insert. And it says the golden ticket. If you find a golden ticket in your box, you get, what do you get? You get Rain Cry, a product, and then there's a referral link. I will put my referral link below if you're interested in trying Glossybox. I'm going to try it for a couple months just to see what you guys think. They always package it so nicely. I always love the little ribbon. Actually, it matches my my shirt today. How fun is that? They give me a little tissue paper, so it's always fun. So check out the box this month. First thing I got, wow, this is a big bottle, you guys. Check this out. What is this? This is the Bioderma H2O micellar water, $14.90 value. Basically, it's a cleanser, removes dirt and debris. You can use these makeup removers. They are, what is this? This is paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and then it says non-rinse. I will actually use this. It's for combination and oily skin. I like these type of products. Just to, you know, take one of the, I buy those at like Target. It's just like a cotton flat little makeup remover. I'll use this though. So that's pretty cool. Then I got the lightweight facial lotion. Check this out. This is from, looks like a company called Seed. Where is this on here, though? Oh, Seed. There it is. It's a lightweight facial lotion, 99% natural, 100% vegan, and it doubles as a makeup primer. $34 value. Oops, I just dropped my paper insert here. This looks like an interesting product. Check this out. I might try this. Lightweight facial lotion. I can always use a primer. I go through primer a lot. I do use a lot of primer, so that's kind of cool. Next up, we have... What the heck is all this stuff? I got some... Oh, this was... Oh, you know what? Okay, this was attached to here. I'm like all confused. Okay, this is like a bonus product. This is like the 6th product. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This is, oh, an extra treat, it says. Zolt, a Mixie Stick. It's a CBD drink mix, a value $3.20. So we got that kind of as a little bonus thing. Okay, getting back to what's in the box. We have a product called Hi. This is a, high-maintenance cannabis peeling mask. Purify, resurface, and smooth your skin. The Deluxe Mini is a $20 value. I always like a good peel-off mask. I don't know why. They're my favorite kind of masks. I like to put a mask on and peel it off. That's like my absolute favorite. So I'll probably try that out. I also got the Coors Hydrobiome Greek Yogurt Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. The mini is worth $10. Full size is $49. I will probably gift that. And then I also got the After Spa 2-pack reusable rounds. Oh, this is cool. Perfect for all skin type. Wash once before use. Afterwards, simply soak with warm water and squeeze. Oh, so they're reusable. That's kind of interesting. Check it out. They're these little like, oh, they're kind of like dust flying off of them. I think it's just like, that's kind of weird. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know if I like these. They remind me of like a duck. You know what I mean? And there's like feathers flying off of them. I don't know about these. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in the container. Maybe if you you air them out a little bit, they're not as feathery. Those are a $10 value. I don't know. I like my disposable little rounds. I was just talking about those. How funny is that? So anyway, not a bad box. We do get this cool little, like, I love the fluff. I always reuse this for gifts. How funny is that? How cool would this look? Like if you did a gift basket with the Into the Night. I just reviewed that this morning from Bath & Body Works. I'm always thinking crafty. So anyway, I will be reviewing Glossybox for the next couple months. I'm just going to try it out, see what you guys think. And then this is the January box. I got feathers flying everywhere. We'll see what we get in February. Hopefully I get a makeup product because I prefer getting the makeup product. So I'll see what Glossybox is doing lately. If they're kind of doing all skincare, I'm probably not as likely to keep it because I don't need a lot of skincare. So we'll see going forward. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.